Hi guys, I'm Hausen. Today in this video we will talk about how to use the printer. Let's get started. So the first we need to create a word. Just write down whatever you want to print. Like you get it. On the left corner we can see there is a file selection. Click File and Print. Just right there we can see that the printer is ready and we can click Print. But before we do that, they have several setups. We can print all pages, or we can print like the first page, third page, fifth page. We can type like 1, 3, 5. And right there we can choose print on the one side or on the both side, and the letter size and the margins. After everything's set up, we click print. Okay. Now you get it.